guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to learn how to solve errors. I had this f01 error. It gave me so much headache that I went and had to dig deep to find out what could be the cause. And I found out that f01 is due to water inflow being faulty. So if you're having that problem, what I had to do, I came here outside into my bathroom. I had to open here. You see this pipe, this is the inlet pipe. It is dirty. You see the water that came out, very dirty. So this dirt can block water flowing into the machine. That's what you do. Off the tap, open this, you see, just open, clean here, you clean. You see how this is, it is even brown. I'm going to clean it very well. Then off the tap, clean it. After cleaning, then put back our pipe, then screw back and go and wash. You will never have the same error again. This dirty water from our tanks, sometimes they come with a lot of dust. They block water flowing into the washing machine. They block this part. They block this part. So there is no way water can pass here to go to the washing machine. That's why we are getting these f01 errors. We have other errors. There is f03 that is due to drainage fault. Drainage fault can come to it could be your washing machine is not draining very well due to detergents that you use. You have the detergent that you use, maybe washing machine is having too much foam, it will not drain. You will have that error. If your washing machine does not spin well, you'll have that error. Yes. Then there's F13 door lock. That means your door is having a problem. Then there's another error. As I told you, F13 is the door. Then F14 is the unlock problem. 13 is lock. If your door is not locking well, you have 13. Then 14 is unlock problem. If your door is not unlocking, if it can't open, then you will have that error. You might not know the cause, but that could be the cause. Then we have F24, overflow or too much foam. That one too. Then so for the foam, you know how to do it. You can put the right amount of detergents, what. Then we have F04, that is electronic. That means your machine is having electronic problems. Then we have the last error. It will bring UNB, means it is unbalanced. Your machine is unbalanced. The four legs are not well, they're not in their position. You have to screw. You have to get someone or get a screwdriver. You screw the machine. Thank you so much. That's what I had to share. Please bear, I'm using the phone, so bear with my videos. Sometimes they are not that quality, but the most important thing is we will get the information. So the errors, that's how I got to solve my F01 problem. As I got to know that it was about the water inflow. F03, that is drainage. The machine is not draining well, you have to spin. The row F13, it is lock. If your door is not locking well, you get that error. As we said, 14, it is unlock. If it's not unlocking well, you still get the error of 14. F24, it is overflow or too much foam. You'll get that. Then F04 or F98, that is electric module fault. If your machine is faulty electronically, you'll get that error. Then UNB means your machine is unbalanced. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.